MCSP. Tohnichi offers a variety of marking torque tools for various applications, including bolts, hex head cap type, and screws. By using a marking tool, the number one human error, missed tightening, can be prevented by a quick visual check. This is ideal for tightening verification of assembly processes. Tohnichi is adding another marking wrench to its existing lineup to address applications that were previously not accessible with other models. Tohnichi introduces MCSP, Marking Torque Wrench with interchangeable spanner heads. The MCSP marks a corner of the bolt when it reaches the target torque. The marker stamps only when the MCSP reaches the preset torque. It is easy to use the MCSP in narrow spaces, including hydraulic piping. The MCSP is also capable of operating in vertical and horizontal positions. The MCSP is capable of approximately 2,000 marks per marker. Red and blue colors are available. The marker is disposable and replaceable. The marker end is reusable. Periodic calibration can be performed on a normal torque wrench tester, such as the Tohnichi DOTE series. Preset torque value can be easily set with the adjusting tool and a torque wrench tester. Models are available covering a range of 10 to 140 Newton meters and spanner head size of 12 to 32 millimeters. Special heads such as ring and notch type are available upon request. MCSP with Pokayoke capability is also available. The MCSP helps to prevent missed tightening and increase product quality.